In this video, I'm going to show you two methods of converting text to video, so stay tuned and watch the complete video till the end.
Do you want to convert text into video without any effort and also without spending a single penny? So you are at the right place. In this video, I am about to show you guys that how you can convert text into video. After watching the complete video, you will be able to convert your text into video. So without wasting further time, let's get into our video. I am going to show two methods to convert text into video. Moving to first method. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Leonardo AI in the search bar. After that, open the first site. Now click on the Create Account. To create account, here you can create account with email and as well as Google. So I will continue with Google. After creating account, click on the image generation. Here, as you can see, the prompt section. As I write in prompt, a boy reading book. And after this, click on generate to create image. Now it will take some time to generate images according to the prompt. The images are generated according to prompt we entered. Here you can change the image ratio as you want. Now select the image that you want to convert to video. So I will select this one. Now here, click on the motion video and now click on the generate. It will take some time to convert image to video. As you can see, the video is ready. So let's preview it. It's looking good. As I showed to you that how you can convert text into video, so let's check out the second method by which we can convert text into video. And the main thing is that the second method is also for free. So let's move to our second method. Before moving to the second method, if you are still watching the video, so please like the video and subscribe the channel. Open a new tab in Chrome browser and search for Runway ML in search bar. After that, open the first site. Click on Try Runway ML for free. Here you can create account with Google as well as email. So I am going to continue with Google. As you created account, now close this and click on Continue with Image. Here, click on the upload file and upload the image you want to convert to video. As you uploaded it, it will be processed. And now just click on the generate. As you clicked it, so it will convert your image into video. So let's preview our video. Our video is looking good.
First, open Chrome browser and open ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT for a video prompt that you want to create video about. I will ask ChatGPT about a video prompt about nature. Our prompt is ready. Now simply copy the prompt and open a new tab in Chrome and search for Hello AI Video Generator. Open the very first site. Here in this box, paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT earlier. Now click on the Create and your video will be in the process. It will take a while. After that, your video will be ready. As your video is ready now, you can download it by simply clicking on the download option on video, and the video will be saved to your device. In today's video, if you enjoyed watching it, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.